When you say he's in the military, he's away in the military?
Yes. She does not, but
she's
chose
doing
to.
it. She's
so don't
doing
complain
it.
about it now. Don't complain about it now.
Years old. Does she go to daycare or anything?
Yeah, she goes to daycare, and I pay for all of that.
I wanted a granddaughter, and I was like, I'm sorry.
She's just not being a good mom right now.
It's okay, I'll take care of her while you're in school, and all of a sudden something changed, which is why we're sitting here now.
Financial support that she needs to take care of your daughter.
That is what I know. I'm doing this for my daughter.
Well, what I know is you're getting ready to pay child support.
It's okay, I'll take care of her while you're in school, and all of a sudden something changed, which is why we're sitting here now.
Can you believe this?
I really can't. I mean, I expected you to help at least. Of course, I'm not going to.
I have a year left. I do what I can.
So Sterling
So
is
it's a year left of her taking care of your daughter. You and Tanner's daughter.
This is what you wanted.
But I thought you were going to help.
You were going to take care of her.
I thought you were going to still be a good mom
Miss
to
Nikki,
Sterling.
you are so unbelievable right now. You are the mom. She is the grandmother.
Exactly.
What part of that don't you understand?
I understand all of it. We had a whole agreement that she would raise the child until I was out of school.
Emotions explode. The grandmother accuses Nikki of abandoning her role. She reminds her daughter, "You are the mother. I am the grandmother." But Nikki clings to her so-called agreement. She thought Grandma would raise Sterling until she finished school, but the judge sees through it. An agreement doesn't absolve a parent from responsibility. The gavel of reality is about to come down hard, and Nikki won't like what comes next.
That she would raise the child until I was out of school. So when I come home, I do see my child. I do.
Barely.
You know what?
But I don't know what changed. I don't know if she got a little boyfriend or something.
What difference would it make if she had a boyfriend? That is none of your business.
Because she chose this life.
Excuse me.
I could have waited.
You chose this life. You had the child with Tanner. Miss Wilson, Miss or Mrs., I'm sorry.
Miss.
Miss Wilson did not have the child. You did. The child is your responsibility, not grandmother's. Whether she wanted a grandchild or not. I know a lot of grandparents that say, "Oh, when are you going to have me a grandchild? I want a grandchild." They never anticipate that phrase to mean.
The judge cuts through the noise. You had this child with Tanner, not your mother. Nikki tries to deflect, accusing Grandma of changing her mind, even hinting at a boyfriend. But the judge isn't interested in excuses. A child is not a bargaining chip. A child is not Grandma's responsibility. The truth echoes across the courtroom. This baby belongs to Nikki, and she cannot escape that truth any longer.
I want a grandchild. They never anticipate that phrase to mean I 100% am taking care of the child. You are unbelievable right now.
I'm not. I'm really not.
You really are.
No,
So
I'm
you know
really
what?
not.
What we're going to go ahead and do is get Miss Wilson the proper financial support that she needs to take care of your daughter. So you understand, and let me repeat it again, your daughter. So you don't walk out of this courtroom believing that someone else has the obligation of taking care of your child. She does not have to step in and do anything.
She does not, but
She's
she chose
doing
to.
it. She's
so don't
doing
complain
it.
about it now. Don't complain about it now.
The judge delivers a crushing decision. Nikki has failed her daughter. She hasn't provided money. She hasn't provided care. And while Grandma stepped in out of love, she was never required to. The judge makes it clear it is Nikki's duty as a mother, not Grandma's, to support Sterling. Nikki cannot complain now. The law will hold her accountable whether she likes it or not. The courtroom grows silent as the ruling begins.
She does not, but
She's
she chose
doing
to.
it. She's
so don't
doing
complain
it.
about it now. Don't complain about it now.
Well, you know
chose
what?
to do this.
I don't need you to
didn't-
complain about these numbers when I read them off to you, okay? So, Miss Wilson, Tanner, you say he's in the military. Do you know how much money he makes?
I don't know how much she makes.
Okay. Health insurance. I know typically they have decent health insurance in the military. Do you have any idea of how much that costs?
About 108. Tanner takes care of that part.
Okay. Tanner takes care of that. So let me just make sure I make a note of that. All right. And Mom doesn't do anything.
Nothing.
Okay.
Numbers start hitting the table. Daycare costs $800 a month. Tanner, the father, is in the military providing health insurance, but Nikki Neptune, not $1 has been contributed by her. The grandmother confirms it. The judge shakes their head. The picture is clear. Nikki has been absent, not only as a mother, but also financially. But the court is about to fix that permanently.
All right. right? And mom doesn't do anything.
Nothing.
Okay. And you said that 6
I do a lot.
months the child has been with you?
Yes.
Okay. Daycare is $800 a month. Okay, so what I'm going to do, when you're influencing, let me ask you a question. How much money are you getting off of that consistently?
Consistently, I would say maybe $2,000 a month.
$2,000 a month? And you haven't sent her anything?
I mean, I had books to pay for.
Right, so your books cost $2,000.
Yes.
Are you getting financial aid from school?
I have maxed out all my financial aid.
The truth explodes in numbers. Nikki admits she earns $2,000 a month from influencing. Yet, not a single cent has gone to Sterling's care. Her excuse: books are expensive. The judge doesn't buy it. $2,000 a month wasted while grandma pays for everything. Nikki's excuses collapse under the weight of cold hard math, and the judge is ready to rule.
Are you getting financial aid from school?
I have maxed out all my financial aid. I maxed out all my loans. I don't know what else to do. I'm doing what I can. Like I said, I'm
Have
doing
you
what I
ever
can.
considered moving from New York? I know it's expensive
No,
to
I
live
have
there.
a huge internship. Why would I? No.
Oh.
No.
Okay, so your internship is more important than raising your daughter.
No, it is not.
Okay.
But I am doing this for my daughter.
Oh, okay.
So
That's what you believe. That's fine.
that is what I know. I'm doing this for my daughter.
Well, what I know is you're getting ready to pay child support.
Desperate, Nikki claims her internship in New York is the reason she can't help. She insists she's doing it all for her daughter. But the judge sees the truth. Sterling has been left behind. Books, school, internships. None of it erases the fact that Nikki chose not to provide. The gavel hovers. The next words will change everything.
That is what I know. I'm doing this for my daughter.
Well, what I know is you're getting ready to pay child support. So this is what we're going to do. Since you don't have any financial information on Tanner, we're going to set his child support at minimum wage. We're also going to set your child support at minimum wage, okay? I'm going to order that Tanner maintains the health insurance, and then I'm also going to have you reimburse half of that health insurance back to him. So, excuse me, no, not reimburse half of it. You're going to reimburse the back pay, because I'm going to order you to pay back pay as well. She said 6 months. So Tanner is going to maintain the health insurance at 108, okay?
The ruling lands. Since Tanner's income details are unknown, his support will be set at minimum wage, Nikki's too. On top of that, Nikki must pay back support for the past 6 months. The grandmother finally hears the words she's been waiting for. Nikki will be held financially accountable, but the numbers haven't been read yet, and they may stun Nikki into silence.
She said 6 months. So Tanner is going to maintain the health insurance at 108, okay? There will be no reimbursement on that part of it, because what I'm going to do is have you pay monthly child support at minimum wage, which is $219, as well as back pay to grandmother. So $219 multiplied by the past 6 months, Tanner's portion is $657. Your portion is $657. That's to be paid at $50 per month. So each parent's child support obligation to grandmother is $269 per month.
The numbers hit hard. Nikki owes back pay of $657. On top of that, she must pay $2,169 every single month. Tanner owes the same. The grandmother will finally get help, but the weight of the ruling settles heavy on Nikki's face. For the first time, she realizes the court is done with excuses. The law will not bend for her anymore.
Each parent's child support obligation to grandmother is $269 per month.
Are you happy now?
No, are you happy now? I know I'm happy because you're finally supporting your child financially, and grandmother gets some assistance with paying this daycare.
Grandmother wanted a baby. She's
Yep.
grandmother.
And you know what?
This is your part.
And
So
grandmother
whenever
is here.
I-
Excuse me. Grandmother's here because she also wanted some financial help. Is there anything further, ma'am?
No, we're done here.
Oh, obviously. Is there anything further?
No, thank you very much, Your Honor.
You're welcome. If there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
The case ends in tension. The grandmother finally gets financial support. Nikki is ordered to contribute. No more hiding behind excuses. The judge reminds everyone it is not grandma's job to raise Sterling. It is Nikki's. And while this courtroom battle is over, the story is a lesson for every parent. Responsibility cannot be avoided. If you bring a child into this world, you must care for them. What do you think? Did the judge get this right? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more real cases.